YouTube, what's up, man? Thank you for tuning in. I go by the name of Justin. This is Just Reacts, where we react to the most viral videos, man. Sports and entertainment, baby. If you're here, you made it to the right place. And just know that this is a safe space. We vibing. We cruising right now, man. We enjoying life. Yesterday was my birthday. I did drop a video, but you know what I'm saying, I'm not a like celebrating type of person for real. But I do like giving myself gifts, you know what I'm saying? And for this birthday, man, I turned 29 and I went on ahead and copped me a plain Jane, bruh. Rolex. Plain Jane Rolex, you know, gold face. So that's something light. You know what I'm saying? And I'm thankful for it. It wouldn't be possible without God. This YouTube channel wouldn't be possible without God, man. Keep God first. Keep God first. But I just want to say thank y'all for 3.2K, man. We still growing, we still going. Definitely want to get 10K by the end of the year. You just gotta stay consistent, gotta keep grinding. Put that time in, put that work in. I want to give y'all 365 videos because it's 365 days in a year. So that's what's on my mind. We're not gonna prolong this intro anymore, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go ahead and lock in, clock in. Without further ado, let's go. It says suspect fleeing police at high speed, causing a multi-car crash. Man, y'all be careful, bro. Please be careful. Alright. He obviously about to set up the okie doke, folks. We not slow. We wasn't born yesterday. Oh, she got the car. He gone.
Go, let Tal go.
Oh, hey, smart. Shout out to him. She ain't never gonna get caught. They ain't never stopped her. They gone. Damn. Hey, I ain't even gonna lie, y'all. He gone. Yeah. Hold on, bro. Bro, he out of there. On everything, he is out of there. Hold on, man. 0 to 60. God damn. Gone. Let Lil Thought Pocket, Hot Pocket out.
Go, let Tal go. Let Tal go.
They in Cali, y'all. Cali, Arizona. I can tell by the environment. Dog, YouTube, he is out of there, man. Hey, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. We going crazy. Dang, bro, flying. I didn't even see him bust that right. I did not see him bust that right. Sheesh. How fast y'all going? That's what I really want to know. That boy flying. That boy is flying. Nah, bro. In the neighborhood, in the suburbs like this. Dang. He left them boys in 2024. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Dang. Wow. Wow.
Get there.
Dang, that's a head of. Oh my gosh, this is bad. Oh my gosh. This is bad. Yo. Wow. Holy moly, Batman. Passenger side. Ooh. Dang, bro.
He's gonna run. Don't fucking move. Fucking head. Don't move. Let me see your head. Right now. Let me see your fucking head. Let me see your head. Don't fucking move. How many people? I think there's one. People. Check on them. Make sure they're okay.
Sheesh. They gotta yank him out. They don't even know how to get him out, y'all.
Put your butt forward. Come on, let me see your hands.
Oh,
Hands off.
he came out the sunroof. His arm broke or something.
Scoot up. I got his belt. Turn around. You guys ready? Yeah.
Sheesh. They be living life like GTA, bro. Life is not a game. Hey, YouTube, life is not a game, chat. You gotta know that. You gotta know that. Sheesh. Woo wee. I'm telling you, life is not a game, folks. Smash the Tesla up. Dang. Oh, I hope that person made it that got hit in the Tesla, y'all. Hey, listen, dog. Things be happening so fast, bruh. Like, I don't even know why Buddy took off like that. He going 80 miles per hour through the suburbs with oncoming traffic, just thinking he invisible, bro. He better be glad he alive. You know what I'm saying? He might have, you know what I'm saying? He got to face some time for that, for sure. For sure. But YouTube, it's 2025, man. Do something different, be great. Chase your dreams. If you made it to the end of this video, man, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, man. This is Just Reacts, man. And I'm going to catch y'all in the next video.